Confusion. The government withdrew the draft encryption policy today, stating that the suggestions initiated on the issue will be incorporated in the new version of the policy. While the citizens have heaved a sigh of relief at the thought that their privacy will not be horned in, the government has sought time and suggestions for the new draft of the policy.
The government has withdrawn the draft encryption policy following misunderstanding cropping up among internet and social media users. The government has clearly stated that the draft was made public to garner reactions and that the same could be amended by the committee. The government has directed the committee to embrace the suggestions initiated by the public.
ये पॉलिसी सरकार की पॉलिसी नहीं है, ये ड्राफ्ट है जिस पर जनता की राय मांगी गई है। मैंने विभाग को निर्देश दिया है कि इस ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी को आप विड्रॉ करें, इस पर पुनर्विचार करें, पुनर्विचार करने के बाद ये स्पष्ट करें ये किन पर लागू है, किन पर लागू नहीं है, और उसके आधार पर जनता की राय मांगी जाएगी और व्यापक चर्चा करने के बाद हम इसको क्रियान्वित करेंगे।
The draft encryption policy was crafted after acknowledging the recommendations made by the expert committee appointed on cybersecurity. The draft envisaged that along with the users, it requires the service providers to save text or messages sent through mobile phones or computers through emails for 90 days. When sought by law enforcing agencies, this data had to be provided mandatorily. Infraction of this provision could invite stringent jail term as well. Internet companies like telecom companies were also supposed to abide by the encryption policy. Stressing on the intent of the government to uphold the freedom of social media, Communication and IT Minister said that the draft encryption policy will take into its purview only those who encrypt and not the ones who use encrypted scripts.
हमारी सरकार मीडिया, सोशल मीडिया की आज़ादी की बहुत ही पक्षधर है, लेकिन ये भी एक सच्चाई है कि भारत में साइबर व्यापार, साइबर वार्तालाप और शासकीय काम भी साइबर के क्षेत्र में काफ़ी आगे बढ़ा है। दुनिया भर के देशों में इंक्रिप्शन पॉलिसी होनी चाहिए, ऐसी बात महसूस की गई है। एक एक्सपर्ट कमेटी ने भारत में भी अनुशंसा की थी कि भारत में एक इंक्रिप्शन पॉलिसी होनी चाहिए।
Law enforcing agencies have faced continuous hindrances deciphering encrypted scripts in social media sites like WhatsApp, Google Chat, Yahoo Messenger, among other leading-edge sites. Tracking down the need to curb cybercrime, the draft was circulated. Apart from the common man, internet banking companies, payment gateways, e-commerce and password-related transactions would be exempt from encryption laws. While the government has clearly stated that it does not intend to encroach upon cyber freedom, it has stated that encryption loopholes will be dealt with sternly with the new draft encryption policy. Newsnight Desk, DD News.
Prime Minister Modi